Hey, hey, it's Sarah Clay, and welcome to the LinkedIn Live Lounge on my purple sofa. And here we are at the business show at the Excel. And today I have got Ionut Covacel from Coremaker, who I've just met. And he has got lots and lots of followers on LinkedIn, and I want him to tell you how he's using LinkedIn. But welcome, Ionut. Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you here, and again, thank you for inviting me here. You have a very cool booth. I think I told you already. I think you are on top three that I'm seeing here at this exhibit.
Whoa, top three. Thank you for that.
I don't want to. I don't want to tell you exactly what is the position, but I think it's a good one. No,
Okay, I need to find the other two, and then next year I need to do better.
I will point to them, but let's talk about you and your stand. Yeah.
Thank you for that. Okay, so we just met.
Yeah.
You just came to my stand, and you are using LinkedIn on your personal profile and your company page. Is that right?
Right, maybe more for the company. So I'm using most of the LinkedIn platform to connect, find very new people, interesting people. I'm working at a software company, so I'm very interested in connecting with developers. So most of my connections are developers. But lately, I have also some big companies that we are working and their employees and other companies that maybe use our products or anything.
And you've only recently started on LinkedIn. You haven't been on a really long time, have you?
Uh, yeah, I'm ashamed about this, but I've only started 2 years ago. Like, I think I had the account for a couple of years, but it was like, I don't know, 10 connections there. But yeah, 3 years when I've joined the Coremaker, I think I've understood that this will be the perfect tool for me, like to grow and to reach all these new people that I couldn't meet face to face. No, so it really helped me. Like,
And I think you've been doing something right because now you've got over 10,000 followers. Is that right? In 2 years?
so I'm like a superstar or what? Yeah. So what I'm doing, it's like everything in life. You have to work a lot. So this is the thing. I've worked each day, each week. I've made sure that I connect with new people, read about them, trying to figure and to create this good network, quality network. Like we can help each other. Like I can help some of the developers, bringing them in the company, or at least share some of our work. And maybe I don't know, for someone it will be a brilliant idea, like finding something new. So yeah, it's really helped me at this moment.
That's fantastic because you're building your network, you're creating content, and the content you put out is quite nice because it's quite varied. You don't only just talk about your products; you talk about your team and what you're doing, right?
Uh, I even struggle there. No, like I'm a very joyful person. Like I like a lot to joke. So LinkedIn is keeping me like to be I don't know a little sensor like with what the content I can put there. But at least I try to I know to express my personality. Like life is beautiful, no? So we have to. Uh, I like a lot to meet people and make them laugh. So if I'm not meeting them face to face, we can use the platform. So this is one of the things that it's useful for me and what I'm posting there. But also, no, I'm very happy. I'm here now, so I think it's something normal to post that you are here and talk about what is happening here. It's hard. It's hard to make a right post. Like if you're not here, you you have this nice feeling when you smell people, you touch people. Like it's a real experience. So it's very hard. How can you expose that to people that is watching your profile? So I'm not showing off. Like it's something like maybe someone is heard about this kind of exhibition, and I'm thinking, "Oh, look, from my post, he will find something there about that exhibition." No? So that's one of the other ideas when I'm posting things.
No, that's great. So you're using it to show your personality
Yeah.
and to tell the world what you're doing. And I think on LinkedIn that's perfect because LinkedIn is about people and it's about people buy from people. So, and I think there's a lot of people that make the mistake of not showing their personality at all on LinkedIn, whereas you are doing that on your personal profile and you're also talking about the business. So I think you're doing very well.
Thank you.
But
I will take it as a compliment. Yeah.
absolutely, but we can talk about how you can do it better. But that's a conversation for another
That's why
day.
I'm here. That's why I'm here. I understood that, and that's why I've stopped. That you may be the right person that to guide me for the next steps. Like, so.
Well, let's talk, but not right now. But thank you so much for joining me on the purple sofa. And where's the best place to find you?
We are on B120, but you can find me on LinkedIn. Ionut Covacel.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you.